you guys, it's Alexis, aka Lexionnabeat, again here today with another one. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make these press-on nails look like acrylics. Yes, get into them. They are very sturdy, very cute, you guys, and nobody could tell the difference. So let's get into it. Alrighty, you guys, so I already have a video on my channel about how I make my press-on nails last for 3+ weeks, so I won't be going too far in detail like I did in my first video. If you guys want to check that out, I would definitely link it down below in the description. But in this video, I'm just going to cover the basics and go from there. So the first thing I do was knock the shine off my nails. You want to make sure you file your nails a little, drill them a little, however you want to do it, but that's going to help your acrylic stick, taking the shine off of your nails. Now this is another super important step. You do not want to miss this step. You have to knock the shine off of the press-on nails also. You don't want a slippery base. You want something that's a little rugged so that when the acrylic goes on it, it'll stick to the acrylic. So what I'm doing here is adding nail dehydrator, nail dehydrator and primer. I do 1 layer of the nail dehydrator and 2 layers of primer. I would definitely link all these products down below. These are my favorite products ever to use. They all work so well, and you can get them right off of Amazon. Now this is the step that's going to make your nails be so strong and last for so long, and that's to add acrylic to the underside. Instead of gluing these nails on with glue, we're going to use acrylic. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, listen to me, this stuff works magic, okay? Magic. So all you're going to do is add a nice little size bead, nothing too big because you really don't want to deal with a lot of spillover on the sides. So just a nice size bead, press it down for about 20 seconds, 20 to 25 seconds, and then you're good to go on to the next nail. Now, if you guys do accidentally put a little bit too much and it does like spill off onto the sides, I'm gonna show you guys in a video how I take care of that. Simply, I just let it dry for about 10 seconds. I let it dry, and then I just literally rub it off. I'm gonna show you guys right now how I do it. Now usually I add acrylic to the underside of my nail just to give it that super duper strength, but I did not have to do that with these nails. If you want even more strength, add acrylic to the underside of the nail I did it in my first video. Like I said, I will link it down below if you want to see how I add acrylic to the underside of my nail to make them super duper duper strong. All right, now on to the fun part. I want to give BURI a huge thanks for sending over these super cute cream gel nail polish, you guys. They are so fire. I think they work awesome. I love them for this nail look. This is a company on Amazon, and they do have a few different options as far as boxes goes. I chose to get the summery kind of box just to give you guys that feel. They sent me over some different colors, and all the colors you need to know are on the screen. So for this look, I decided to go in with the color 004. Now looking at the jar, I thought it was red, y'all. This is a hot, bright summer pink. I mean, think of the brightest hot pink you can think of. That's what this was, okay? It was not red at all, but it is so pretty, and I did not think I would like hot pink, but I really did like it on my skin tone. So I decided to go in with one layer, cured that layer, went in with a second layer, cured that layer, and then a third layer, and I'll show you guys the layers and everything. I did skip from the first layer to the third layer, but honestly, this is how it looks off the first layer. It's a little see-through still. The coverage is okay. These creams go on like butter, and they settle so well. The only thing I did not like was this little brush. I feel like for longer nails, you would need a bigger brush. It really saves time. But I did like this little brush for my little sister's nails because they have tiny nails. That detailed small brush worked perfect for it. But for longer nails, I would say y'all use a bigger brush.
This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us.
So this is me applying layer number 3. Oh my gosh, the camera is not doing this nail polish color justice at all. It still looks pinkish reddish on camera, but it is really a bright hot pink in person. So I went ahead and finished this third layer, cured it, added the top coat, and y'all, after I started adding the top coat, I started falling in love with these nails. I was gonna leave it like this, but I'm like, nah, I'm about to keep going in and just adding stuff. So I went ahead and added glitter, added some nail art, added some nail jewelry, and just started bringing the nails together for real. They came out so pretty, y'all.
Make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team. Tell me, would you see what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart, and everything it you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, then you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside.
Honestly, at this point, why are we even going to the nail shop? Look at this. It looks like I have a full set of acrylics on. They're just as fire. Y'all, this is the finished look. They came out cute, okay? I love them so much. Thank you guys for watching my video. I love you guys so much. Hope you all have a great day. Stay cool this summer, and I'll see you in the next one.